Do meritorious deeds to gain pleasure by Grade 4 Vidura College. Hello dear children, how are you? What are we going to learn today? Teacher is here to help you to learn the lesson Do meritorious deeds to gain pleasure. In this session, we are going to talk about how to gain pleasure by doing meritorious deeds. Children, let me explain how we are going to learn this lesson. The lesson will be put out on the following slides in white color. The difficult words and their meanings will be in yellow color. Lesson 22. Do meritorious deeds to gain pleasure. As humans, we all like to spend a comfortable life. But good fortune varies from person to person. We need to perform good deeds to entail these benefits, as we have learnt from Buddhist preaching. Punyani Kairata Sukhavahani, which means perform deeds which give you comfort. Here, meritorious deeds mean good acts. Comfortable means made well. Depend means build upon. Fortunate means luck. Entail means have. Benefits means advantages. If you receive food without shortage, that's fortune. Being healthy and spending a happy life is again a great fortune. We must perform good deeds to receive this. Shortage means lack. Those who were born as humans are the ones who have done good deeds in their previous births. If you continue the same in this life, you may continue to receive in abundance. Good deeds are the actions you perform with good intentions. Abundance means plenty. Intentions means target or wish. As per the Buddhist teaching, there are few deeds we can perform to gain merits. First one, alms given to holy persons. Second one, offer food to the needy with tenderness and kindness. Third one, refrain from killing or harming animals. Fourth one, treat every living being with love. Here, tenderness means love. Refrain means stop or give up or avoid. Fifth one, refrain from stealing. Next, refrain using bad words which will hurt others. Seventh one, clean the temple. Next, respect parents, elders, teachers and the holy persons. Ninth one, listen and adhere to Dhamma and teach it to others. Here, adhere means follow. 10th one, transfer merits to gods, relatives and the departed. Next, help and assist in good deeds performed by others. Finally, meditate. Here, transfer means send or pass on. Departed means dead person. Assist means support or guide. We should continue these practices for our own self-satisfaction and not because someone else commands us to do. You will receive mental peace and happiness by doing this. The society will praise and acknowledge people who perform good deeds. As small children, we should continue these actions and speak out about them. Dear children, follow the rule number 4. The act of doing good deeds will bring us comfort according to the Buddha. We can perform good deeds like offering food items, cleaning the temple, and meditating to gain merits. Performing such meritorious deeds give us peace, great happiness, and pleasure. The society will praise people who perform good deeds. It is now time to practice. Dear children, follow the rule number 1. I have an exercise for you. Question number 1. Write the stanza mentioned in the lesson and its meaning in your book and memorize it. Second question is, write down the good deeds you can perform at your home. Let me know how much you scored. Let's go to the next slide. The first one is, write the stanza mentioned in the lesson and its meaning in your book and memorize it. The correct answer is Punyani Kairat Sukha Vahani, which means perform deeds which give you comfort. Second one is, write down the good deeds you can perform at your home. The correct answers are, offer food to the needy with kindness, treat every living being with love, alms giving to holy persons, refrain using bad words, meditate, respect parents, teachers and elders. You did it. Very good. You are so clever. Children, as a summary, what I want to highlight is we need to perform good deeds to have a comfortable life. The society will praise people who perform good deeds. There are few deeds we can perform to gain merits, such as offer food to the needy with kindness, clean the temple, don't use bad words, meditate, alms giving to holy persons, finally respect parents, teachers and elders. Well, that is from me on this lesson on do meritorious deeds to gain pleasure. Now it is time to see how much you have learned. So please download and write the relevant student note, then write the answers on given spaces. And also you can draw or paste a picture related to the lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Have an awesome day. Goodbye.